Hey everybody, it's Bob. Since it's a few days before Christmas, I'm going to talk about how they celebrate Christmas here and how this time every year I guess, check myself. You see, with all the research that I did not find out about this Christmas thing here until after I got here, and I just did not understand it. So this will be my third Christmas now. And basically with Christmas here is that they started around September 1st. You'll start hearing music. You you'll start seeing decorations. The last month or so, kids have been going around caroling, looking for money, and this will all continue until at least around mid January, maybe the end of January, depending. And it goes on for quite a while. And I remember the first time I we had gone to one of the malls here back in 2023, and everything was decorated. I'm like, wow, this is kind of weird. It's not even Thanksgiving in the States yet, and everything's decorated. And it was explained to me they start really early. I guess it's the longest celebration of Christmas in the world is here in the Philippines. So if you like Christmas, the Philippines is your place. Um, for me, I enjoy Christmas, but not as much as I used to. So it really doesn't affect me much here. Um, I do a self check about this time every year, and I just want to make sure, see how things have gone the last year, two, 10, whatever. And what sucks is that Google puts up those memories for like, remember 7 years ago? Remember 10 years ago? And I see everything that was going on then. And I'd never even thought I'd be in the Philippines. But yet here I am. And being from New York, it's kind of strange for me being like 80 degrees around Christmas. My body still thinks it's in New York right now. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if the mic's picking it up. I got a cold, which is odd. And yes, you do get those here. Um, so yeah, and then we're supposed to. Well, last year, actually, the first year I was here, I had taken my girlfriend, her son, and her cousin, or I think she was like 14 or 15 at the time. Her cousin, to Palawan, and we spent the night in Clark. Woke up the next day. We left Clark, and it was like 2 days before Christmas. And we get there. We get there. I had this nice hotel set up, and it was pretty cheap by American standards. Really nice room, but it was like $50 a night. And it was in Puerto Princesa. I know I'm killing that name. And then we were going to head up north after a couple days there, kind of seeing that town, up to El Nido. Now, if you want to see an amazing town, Google El Nido. Oh, never made it there. Um, the reason was we woke up the next day after getting there. We were all sick. Every single one of us. We ended up staying unexpectedly in that hotel through Christmas because we were going to spend it in El Nido. And we left. Well, originally we were supposed to be there for like 2 nights, maybe three, I forget, and then spend Christmas and New Year's up in El Nido and then come home. But since we were sick, we ended up coming home like 2 days before New Year's. We came back, I think it was like the 29th of December of 2023, and we were still sick. We had COVID. Um, all of us got COVID. It was wild. It was horrible. And that first Christmas here sucked, and this is my third Christmas. Last Christmas, her son was still here. He's in the province now, waiting for us to get there. Um, it was a quiet Christmas. We celebrated it. We gave each other some gifts, and I don't know if her cousins came over or not. I don't remember. And now this year, we're just going to kind of lay low and just be chill and not really do too much. I'm waiting for New Year's because New Year's is insane here. Fireworks everywhere, like commercial grade. Fireworks are not illegal here. And over at the old apartment, it was just all over. You could see all through the sky. I put a short up on it. So I'm hoping over around, like behind me and across the way here, I hope they just light it all up. I really do. That's going to be fun. But yeah, it's Christmas here in the Philippines. It's warm. It's humid. Um, it's long. It seriously September to like at least mid January, and yeah, like I said, Christmas here in the Philippines. If you're into Christmas, this is your dream world. Everything is Christmas here right now. It's been like that since September. So I hope everybody has a safe week, and I will see you in the next video.